Hi Ben, good evening. First of all, no Aaron Ramsey. He's literally got his hands full at the moment, so you can understand why he's not here, I guess.
Yeah, of course. Look, we'd love to have him here, but some things sometimes are a bit more important than football, and yeah, we're delighted for him that everything's gone well.
Obviously, no Gareth Bale either. You're always asked about how you're going to cope without him, but no Ramsey as well. The record with those two is significantly better than it is without them. So, you know, is that a worry? I know there's a lot of young talent coming through now, but massive losses, aren't they?
Yeah, of course. Look, I'm sure in any team, if those two weren't playing, their record wouldn't be as good. They're top players. But, you know, as a squad, these are the games we have to adapt and really show what we're about. We have to believe in ourselves, that the quality we've got coming in, like you said, with a lot of the young talent, it's a good opportunity for them to show what they can do.
People have their opinions on how the Republic of Ireland play, and it's been described as primitive, it's physical, it's aggressive, all those kind of things. You will know exactly what to expect, because of course you played in that 0-0 game here last year. Are you ready for that? Are you prepared for that kind of game again?
Yeah, look, that game was a tough night, and I think Ireland, every time they've held on in there in games, they make it really difficult for you. And you know, they've got quality themselves, and it's a tough game when you come here. They play direct, they put you under pressure constantly, and look, people will say what they want about how the football is. It's about getting results at the end of the day, and if that's what they think is the best way to do that, can't be knocked.
I don't think Wales were angels themselves on the night, but do you think Ireland crossed the line sometimes?
Not really. I think that's football. Sometimes you get tough games where that's going to happen, and look, that's football. As players, you don't even think about it on the pitch. You just crack on, and that's what happened that night.
And as a player, how is it possible to block out a result like last Thursday and just try to forget about that and actually tune your mind back into the 4-1 win over the Republic last month? Can you do that?
Look, that's what you have to do. It's easier said than done sometimes, but look, Thursday wasn't a great performance from us, but we were up against a world-class team. They're probably one of the best in the world, and they really showed us how to play football. And look, even though it was a loss, there was a lot of things for us to learn from that game, and if we can take the things we didn't do so well in that game and realise that tomorrow night, then it'll be all the better for us.
Might be back to the Euro 2016 defence tomorrow night, which was so good, wasn't it? It was such a feature of the defence in France. You know.
Yeah, that was what we prided ourselves on going into that tournament. Throughout the qualification, I think we only gave away 2 goals, and I think we need to get back to that. It's you know, sometimes the more success you have in football, you play a bit more open, you'll take a few more risks, and maybe we just need to get back to being that solid team we know we can be.
Even after a 4-1 loss, sorry, it wasn't that bad. Do you feel that the pressure is perhaps on the Republic to get a result rather than Wales tomorrow? There's a lot of expectation here in Ireland that performances need to improve.
We haven't really thought about that. It's purely on us tomorrow. We need to put a good performance in, and we're expecting Ireland to come out all guns blazing, trying to get the win if they want to do well in this mini group. And for us, we know, like I said, the quality and the challenges they're going to pose to us, and we need to be ready for that.
Thank you.
Next question, Satish. You just pass the microphone across, thanks.
It's been said that if you win tomorrow, you go top of the group. If you lose, you're bottom of the group. Is that an incentive for you tomorrow for tomorrow's match at all?
Yeah, of course it is. We want to do as well as we can, and winning tomorrow would put us in a great position. I think if we could get a result, then it's all in our hands going into the next game against Denmark. So as far as we're concerned, the way we're looking at the game, we want to pick up 3 points.
You said that you playing against Spain, they were a world-class team, and they showed you how to play the game. What have you taken from that game that we can expect to see tomorrow?
You know, we played a back 3 against Spain, and you know, they made it incredibly difficult for us. They just moved the ball quicker than us. They didn't even run too much. It was all 2-touch football, and that's what we have to do tomorrow. Ireland played a back 3. in the last game, and if they do that again, then we'll have to learn from the way Spain played against us.
Phil?
Ben, I just wondering, do you think the game will be as intense as the one that was here last year? I mean, obviously it's different competition. There were World Cup points at stake. It was a full crowd. I don't know if that's going to be the case tomorrow. Do you think it will be quite as intense?
You know, as from our camp, we're going to try and make it as intense as we can. It's about starting off on the front foot, trying to win the game, and in order to do that, you have to be as sharp as possible and be at 100%. And look, we don't know what team we're going to come up against, but I'm sure they'll be thinking the same.
Any more questions? Okay, I'll take a few questions in Welsh. Na i gymryd ychydig yn Gymraeg gan Owain. Ti eisiau gofyn y cwestiwn cyntaf?
Nos ydw. Ar y Ramsey, pryd ydych chi wybod y newyddion da amdano fo a'i wraig?
O'n i'n gwybod oedd heddi oedd y dydd ola, felly bydd rhywbeth yn digwydd, ond ie, ni wedi clywed yn gyngharach bod popeth wedi mynd yn dda, felly dyn ni'n hapus dros fe'n iddo fo.
Dim Aaron, dim Gareth Bale, waith, ydych chi'n hyderus yna ddigon o dalent yn y garfan i ymdopi heb y ddau ohonyn nhw?
Ydyn, dyn ni wedi gweld ar y cam arfer pa mor dda mae'r boes sydd yn mynd i dod mewn i'r gêm yn gallu ware, felly ni'n hyderus bod nhw'n gallu symud y pethau oddi wrth ymarfer mewn i'r gêm.
Chi'n edrych ar y chwaraewyr ifanc yn y garfan yn dweud yma David Brooks, Tyler Roberts, Harry Wilson, jyst enw 3 ohonyn nhw. Ydyn nhw wedi ychwanegu rhyw fath o ffresni i'r garfan dros y misoedd diwethaf?
Ie, maen nhw wedi bod yn gret pan maen nhw wedi dod mewn. Yn y orffennol, falle bydd ni wedi colli mas os o'n ni'n colli Aaron a Gareth, ond mae'r boys sy'n dod mewn nawr, maen nhw'n dod lot i'r tîm a gobeithio bod nhw'n gallu gwneud yr un peth yn y gêm.
Ti dal yn ifanc dy hun, ond yn 25 mlynedd oed, ond wyt ti'n teimlo chydig bach gyfrifoldeb yn gorfod, ti'n gwybod, bod o gymorth i'r chwaraewyr ifanc yma ar dros 2 gêm fel hyn?
Ydw, mae fe'n... Mae lot o caps da fi nawr yn erbyn nhw, felly mae'n rhaid i fi wneud y swydd fel oedd chwaraewyr fel Ash wedi wneud i fi pan o'n i'n dod mewn i'r garfan. Dwi eisiau helpu nhw trwy gydol y gêm, ac os o'n i'n gallu wneud hwnna, pob amser bydd yn teimlo'n gret.
Y canlyniad yn erbyn Sbaen nos Iau Beca, hynny di effeithio ar hyder y chwaraewyr o gwbl?
Na, so fe di ffeithio'r hyder. O'n i'n gwybod bydd nhw'n dod lan yn erbyn tîm ardderchog mewn Sbaen, ac oedd y canlyniad yn anodd i cymryd ar y noson, ond oedd lot i cymryd o'r gêm na. Mae'n rhaid i ni wedi dysgu lot amdano'n hunan, ac mae'n siawns i ni wneud yn wella tro nesaf.
Oedd yn gêm danllyd yn doedd yma llynadd yn erbyn Wryneg i Werddon, digorffen yn ddisgwr. Da chi'n disgwyl rhywbeth tebyg eto yn ôl sgori, yr un math o gêm yn ffordd?
Ie, wrth gwrs, mae'r tîm y Werddon yn un sydd yn wario pêl-drod yn galed, ac maen nhw'n mynd i wneud yn siŵr bod chi'n nabod bod nhw'n naf. Felly, dyn ni'n edrych ymlaen yn y gêm, os ni'n gallu pasio'r bêl yn gyflym ac mynd mas o'r challenges bydd ni'n gael, dyn ni'n hyderus bod ni'n gallu wneud yn dda.
A jyst i gloi, Ben, y trydydd gêm chi yn y gystadleuaeth newydd cynghrair y cenhedloedd. Fel chwaraewyr, ydych chi'n mwynhau y gystadleuaeth yma fwy allan y gêm o cyfeillgar?
Dyn ni am mwynhau e. Mae'n siawns i ni symud ymlaen mewn y gêmau hyn, ac os ni'n gallu ennill y gêm nesaf, dyn ni'n sefyllfa dda i mynd mewn i'r gêm ola.